Welcome to 24 Hours Team. Have a great day. Today we are excited to introduce you to a rare and unique breed of chicken, often called the birds that crow, star chicken. Unlike any other breed of chicken, star chickens have powerful flying abilities, almost like real birds. Star chickens originate from the tropical forests of Africa and belong to the Numididae family, similar to wild guinea fowl. For centuries, people have domesticated and selectively bred this chicken, but they have retained their wild instincts, often flying into forests when released. When mature, star chickens have dark gray feathers with pale white spots, allowing them to blend well into their surroundings. They have a slender body, slightly hunched back, and a long tail. Most notably, their strong wings enable them to fly much higher than regular chickens. Star chickens are easy to raise and adapt well to various environments. They can be fed through traditional free-range methods or industrial feeding rations, including corn, rice bran, cassava, fish meal, soybeans, fermented soy sauce, natural minerals, specialized chicken feed for egg laying and meat production. These chickens are typically fed 8 to 10 times per day to maintain their health and maximize egg production. Since star chickens have strong flying abilities, their housing requires reinforced walls and high fencing to prevent escapes. The co-op should be built in a separate area, away from human residences, to keep them safe and contained. Additionally, spacious nesting boxes should be provided because these chickens are excellent egg layers. One fascinating aspect of star chickens is their consistent egg-laying ability with proper care. Star chicken eggs have a thick shell, creamy white or pale blue-green color, and are rich in protein and omega-3. Their eggs are larger than regular chicken eggs, with a deep yellow yolk packed with nutrients. A single hen can lay 250 to 300 eggs per year, which is impressive for a semi-wild breed. Egg collection requires extra care, as these chickens tend to hide their eggs in secluded corners or even low tree branches. Thanks to their strong immunity, flight ability, and unique characteristics, star chickens are raised for egg production, meat, and genetic conservation. Their meat is lean, flavorful, and low in fat, making it highly desirable for both traditional and high-end cuisine. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on unique chicken breeds.